what's new at Ampeg? Well, the biggest change at Ampeg is we have a great new team of that are helping us design and manufacture and create these great new models. Before we start, I want to let you know that really, for those of you who don't know, Ampeg is a legacy brand when it comes to base simplification. Ampeg is over 60 years old. Not a lot of companies can say that. When it comes to base simplification, Ampeg has been the #1 choice for base amplifiers for the past 60 years. The new team is dedicated to maintain the Ampeg's legacy and its future, and is committed to the brand and is committed to the customers. One key factor about our design team is that despite being great designers, engineers, we're mechanical, electrical, marketing personnel, brand managers, everybody inside Ampeg is a musician, whether at a professional level, amateur level, or just hobbyist. So they really connect with the brand and what it means to the customer. So with that, we took 2009 to rebuild the brand, and when we decided to rebuild it from top to bottom. One key thing we committed ourselves to is really being in touch with our customer, whether we at trade shows, at concerts, through artist relations, through chat rooms, internet sites, where we're staying very much in touch with them and communicating with them and seeking and understanding what do they want to see from us, what do they like, what kind of gear they want to see, and so on. One of the key factors we've heard from our customers in the last few years is that they wanted to have an option of US made Ampeg available to them. And after hearing that, we committed to ourselves to bring that to them. And with that, I would like to introduce to you our brand new Ampeg Heritage Series. Ampeg Heritage Series is designed and assembled in the United States. We have three models, starting out with the Ampeg Heritage SVT CL. We have the Ampeg Heritage SVT A10E, and over there we have a Ampeg Heritage SVT 410 HLF. They look familiar because they are. They're really, these are the models what Ampeg's foundation is built on. It's an alternative to our currently manufactured SVT CL and SVT VR. And it's all Ampeg, and though Ampeg's been the #1, like I said, the #1 brand for the musician, also rental houses, studios, just players all around the world. What makes, besides the distinct cosmetics of the Heritage Series, which by the way were inspired by the vintage Ampegs, such as very popular black line detail, it features upgraded components. Most notable, the preamp carries JJ premium tubes, and the power amp carries features Wing C6550 tubes that are manufactured in Svetlana factory in St. Petersburg, Russia. When we decide to for the enclosures, we have in hand, we're featuring US-made Eminence drivers. Now, we went to Eminence, been a great supporter of Ampeg for a number of years. As a matter of fact, that's how Eminence got started. And these cabinets feature the speakers that are very much were pulled from the Eminence models that were used by Ampegs in previous models when they were made in the United States. So we again digging deep into our heritage, both cosmetically and at a component level. These are made are a stone's throw away in Woodinville, Washington. So we have complete oversight of manufacturing process and quality control. To make it extra special, these are limited production. For 2010, we will have 250 of the Heritage SVT CLs made, 400 of SVT A10Es, and 500 of SVT 410 HLFs. Each model that is shipped, on the back of each model is a commemorative badge that commemorates the year of production and the number of the limited production. On top of that, we also, the amplifiers will feature a certain point of purchase display hang tags that will document with the people who are behind it and the people who are testing the unit. And most importantly about these amplifiers is that they'll be tested by real bass players that know with the signature sound of Ampeg. And those bass players will be people that on our staff in Woodinville. Also, we have a great artist roster, and a lot of them often come and visit our facility in Woodinville, Washington. So when in town, there just might be the people who are actually testing the units. So look out for the signatures on the hang tags, because you never know, it may be signed by one of our endorsing artists. So what's the future of Heritage Series? Well, we're going to expand it and grow it further with other models in 2011. And and we're very proud of it. And we plan to continue with this series and continue to communicate with our customer and hearing from them what they would like to see in the future. On the flip side, we have also brand new models over here that are all the Pro Neo series. The Pro Neo series are 3 new cabinets that are designed and again assembled, manufactured in the United States. The 410, the PN 410 HLF, the PN 410, sorry, PN 115 HLF, and the PN 210 HLF. They look totally different than the Ampeg Heritage Series. However, they're all Ampeg. Keynote about this is that these cabinets were designed and tuned in collaboration with our sister company EAW. Along with that, we took on, and they're also manufactured at EAW. So once again, we have total oversight of our manufacturing process and quality control. They feature a splatter finish, which you find on EAW cabinets and some of the brand new Mackie cabinets, and a metal powder-coated grill. Different look, different sound, but it's all Ampeg. We're very proud of it. When choosing the speakers, we used, again, old vintage speakers that we used in the Ampeg, older models, and we wanted to capture that same sound despite them being neodymium speakers. For those of you who don't know, the neodymium speakers use a neo magnet, which is much lighter. So these speakers are very flexible in their sound, but also in their weight. The 410 weighs in at 64 pounds, the 115 weighs in at 59 pounds, and 210 at 44 pounds. So it's very portable for the musician and have the flexibility of the sound and also travel. Again, speakers were done by Eminence, and we spent a lot of time making sure that the sound of the speaker and the sound is all Ampeg. It was a hard process, but we were happy to achieve it. The main purpose for designing the Pro Neo cabinets was to give the customer an option for our Pro Series heads. And now they have that. And with that, we do have 2 brand Pro Series heads available to the customer. Notable SVT 7 Pro. It's Class D, 2 preamp. It's 1,000 watts and it weighs 15 pounds. So again, great portability and power. And to top it off, we have an SVT 8 Pro. It is 2,500 watts at 25 pounds. So again, a lot of portability and power for our customer. So after this, we will have, after the questions, we would love to share with you how these amplifiers sound. And Dino Onoxalis will be on hand to demo it for you. So with that, I want to thank you for coming, and I'm glad I was able to share the future of Ampeg with you.